Most Indians don't know this, that you can get a global management accounting certification from the US without even stepping out of India. And it can leapfrog your career forever. I'm speaking of the US CMA, better known as Certified Management Accountant course, run by the IMA Institute, which stands for the Institute of Management Accountants, which is based out of the US. And the real kicker is this, my friends. You don't need a US visa. You don't need to fly abroad as well, and you can take the entire examination at a Prometric test center of your choice in any one of the 12 cities in India itself. And guys, this is just 2 examinations which can be cracked completely in 12 to 14 months. Both the papers of which are globally standardized. Your passing score is 360 out of 500, but that's a scaled score. Meaning, even if your paper is tougher, your score will adjust by itself. So while most of your peers are still stuck in 3 to 5 years of Indian professional programs, you could hold a US credential, work with global salaries, and never leave your home country, India. DM CMA to me and I will send you a step-by-step roadmap for free. This is one insane opportunity knocking right at your door. Don't sleep on this one, guys. Wake up.